Welcome to my channel. We are making delicious food using some ingredients from the garden. One-fourth cup red bean. Soak in water for 24 hours. One-fourth cup chickpea. Soak in water 24 hours. One cup water. Cook red bean on medium heat for 10 minutes. Add chickpeas. Cook for 15 more minutes. Basil and scallion from the garden. One-fourth teaspoon onion powdered. One-fourth teaspoon garlic powder. Pinch of black pepper. Pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon olive oil or choice. One-fourth teaspoon paprika. 6 shrimps. Cooking oil, use medium heat. Two ounces mixed green, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Pinch of black pepper. Pinch of salt. Half teaspoon olive oil or choice, optional. 1 tablespoon roasted sunflower seed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.